Hey Virgo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. This is the energy for the person that you guys have been dealing with. I feel like the universe is asking this person that they need to make an effort to come towards you because this person sees you as marriage material. And of course y'all are. Y'all are Virgos, okay? So, it's like this person would love to marry you. They're thinking about it. They know that you're the one for them. But they're not stepping up to the plate to communicate, to right their wrongs. They're not doing anything. They're not saying anything. This is like all in their thought process. For some of you guys, it's not everybody. Somebody is like married. Oh gosh, I just got two more things. Okay, so let's just say it. Listen, there's a situation to where this person knows that you're the one for them, but this person is in some type of committed relationship or they're currently married, and I feel like they're trying to get out of that situation in order to be with you. Now, the other scenario I just got, for some of you guys, you're married to someone. And this person, I feel like y'all have been just going through it. And I feel like you guys are looking at whoever you're married to, your husband, your wife, take it for however it fits. You want this person to make the effort because you know that this is your person. You know that this is the one for you. And you're kind of just to the point where if this person doesn't do what they need to do, like I'm getting ready to start looking into my other options as far as leaving this person or getting a divorce. So, Virgo, we doing this on Easter. Alright, let's just jump in, because let's just see, because Lord, my car is getting heavy. I don't know what is up with the energy today, because you guys are like you're number 6 of the signs that I'm doing today, and my cars have been feeling really heavy, and it's the energy. So let's just see what comes out for the collective. But yeah, those are the 3 scenarios that I'm getting. So, and y'all know this can go vice versa. Just take it however it fits for you. All right, Virgo, here we go. Let's just see what comes out. All right, here we go. Bottom of the deck, I have the devil. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be feeling like they're stuck in some type of toxic situation, and there's just some fear here. So let's just see. All right, so whatever's going on, I feel like you guys are no longer worried about it. There's a Queen of Wands. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Clarify the Queen of Wands, please. Yeah, this is you guys. I feel like this was your energy. You guys are basically trying to stay positive at this point. You guys are basically just trying to have a peace of mind. But you're looking for the truth in the situation. You guys could be dealing with a Libra, but I'm going to be honest, just looking at this, it kind of goes back to one of the scenarios that I saw, where I was just basically like telling you guys. So, somebody is in a situation where they could be married. And somebody is trying to get out of a marriage. They're thinking about it. And they feel like if they leave a marriage or some type of like committed relationship, they're going to finally get their peace of mind. Tell me more. Yeah, see. This person, either you have kids with this person, Virgo, or this person has kids with someone else. But there's some type of, I feel like family environment. Somebody's thinking about something that took place in the past. See what I'm saying? Somebody's married. I mean, you cannot make this up. Somebody's married. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. I'm picking up so much. Okay. Somebody's definitely married here. And they're thinking, like, I want this marriage to work. But at the same time, like, I keep thinking about everything this person did with me in the past. And it's like, okay, maybe I'm staying in the marriage because of the children. I want to try to keep that together, but I'm not happy. And it's like, I would like to have a peace of mind. I want balance with this person. But at the same time, I don't know. For others of you guys, if you're not married, your person's not married, this person is thinking about committing to you. They want to marry you. It's like you give them a peace of mind. They're thinking about the future with you, having children with you. You could be dealing with a Taurus, but somebody feels stuck at a crossroads and they're needing to make a decision. Tell me more, please. At one point, somebody felt lost. Like, I feel like somebody felt like they lost you, and they're coming out of their head about it. Honestly, Virgo, for you guys, if you guys are just, like, really in your head about the situation or this person in the past, I just feel like you're healing, you're moving on, you're letting it go. Just take it for however it fits for you and your situation. See, there's the Queen of Swords. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but if not, this could be you in your energy, Virgo. It's like your guard is up. You do want to hear this person out, but at the same time, you're done playing the games. You know, I feel like somebody feels stuck in a situation, or if they're not feeling stuck in the situation, this person that you've been dealing with is having a hard time speaking their truth to you. And it's like they're frustrated that they're having this hard time speaking the truth because they feel like it's not easy for them to come clean about certain things or to show emotions. But at the same time, y'all are just irritated, and this is why the Queen of Swords is here, because you're like, it's not that hard. Speak your truth. What is it? You know, and this person is scared that if they come in to give you this offer, you are going to turn it down, you know. This person definitely wants to be with you. They want to marry you. They want to fix this back and forth about death. So somebody could definitely be dealing with a Scorpio here. But the problem is, this person feels like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. And they know that if they do want a new beginning with you, they have to clean up their act. They have to change the way that they think. They might have to change their circle of friends. They may have to actually cut off certain family members that are toxic. It's like there's a lot of changes that this person has to make in order to be with you. And it's not sitting here saying that, you know, these changes are bad. These changes are needed. This person should have been making these, you know, changes, but somebody felt obligated or they felt stuck in a situation, and it's like they didn't want to change. They felt comfortable, and that's the problem. And Spirit is making it hard for them. Virgo, you could be dealing with another Virgo, but I definitely feel like you could be isolating yourself from this person, or maybe this person is isolating themselves from you. And it's like somebody's sad here. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but somebody's really upset the way things are playing out, or they have been playing out. And it's like you guys aren't staying positive, or this person maybe isn't being positive about you, because it's like they want a happy home with you. They definitely want to come in to make this work. The Three of Wands tried to jump out, so this is telling me that they definitely want to start over with you. They want to build something with you. But right now, they aren't moving forward. Somebody is still working out their karma. There's something that they haven't learned yet. They're sad. They're definitely sad because they're not with you, but somebody is upset because they did take a financial hit somewhere. And I'm telling you, this person does have a hard time opening up, showing emotions. Again, you could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. You also could be dealing with a Libra, but this person just does not have the strength to come towards you right now. And that is the problem. Or somebody just doesn't have the strength to speak their truth. Somebody is basically trying to remove themselves from some type of third-party situation. And y'all know, and I tell y'all all the time, like when it comes to third party, it doesn't have to be another man or woman. It could be family, it could be friends, it could be career, something like that. But whatever this third party situation is for you, this person felt obligated to stay in some type of situation. It's like they were carrying a lot of loads and they felt like they had to. They do feel guilty because of how they treated you. Tell me more. Yeah, see, this person left you out in the cold before, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. Because, see, now they want to come back in to work things out. They want to balance things out with you, Virgo. See, there's communication coming in. Somebody's getting ready to speak their truth. This person definitely wants a new beginning. See, I'm telling you, there's the truth. The truth is coming out. Clarify the Tower reverse. Somebody moving slow. Yeah. So, the thing is, this person isn't happy. They're scared to give you the truth, and they're not happy without you. And I feel like possibly this truth that you may hear from this person, maybe it's not going to make you happy about it. There's the Empress. If this sun was reversed, I would say this is a baby here, but because it's, I mean, excuse me, if it was upright next to the Empress, I would say baby, but I would just, it's not screaming at me, so I'm not even going to go there. But listen, this person isn't happy, okay? They're not happy without you. Because this person definitely wants a new beginning. Clarify the Empress. They're undecided about what to do. Tell me about the Nine of Wands, please. Why is the Nine of Wands here? They're moving slow. Why? They're trying to balance something out. Their money. They're trying to give. Okay, so for some of you guys, it could be children or like a child involved. It really could be. And now because I see that somebody is upset because they have to pay out money, or they're giving money away. It's something. Let me see. Tell me more. See? Yeah. Somebody's trying to make a decision. And this is why they're not taking a leap. Somebody has to pay out some type of money. That's the problem. Whether it's because of a child or children. If someone's married and they got to go through a divorce. I've been seeing that a lot. Just legal situations, somebody was like helping them, business, is something here. And this is why I'm telling you this person is not taking a leap towards you, because they have to get this together. It's something is going on. Tell me more. See what I'm saying? This person or whatever that you guys were dealing with, that this is not you, vice versa, but I really feel like it's the other individual. They're not content about their finances right now, because I feel like they're scared that they're going to have to pay out some money. And they're not sure if what they want with you, as far as like being married to you, having a commitment with you, if it's going to happen, if they can't even support themselves. You know, it's like, how can I support Virgo? They definitely don't want you to walk away from them. But they cause such like a big mess that they feel like things are not going to work out. They can't turn things around because they cause a lot of drama, and this is why they're moving slow to come towards you, because there was some type of third-party situation here. And it's like they definitely want things to improve with you, but they want things to also get better with their finances as well, so they can come back to give you this offer. And this is why they're not putting in the work right now. Yeah, see? They're scared that you don't want a new beginning with them. Because at one point they had you waiting. They were moving slow. And see, now I feel like because a lot of you guys have dropped the situation, now they're getting ready to make a move. They're coming out of that energy of being frustrated and stuck. See? This person is making plans to come and see you. This person, if not, it's like they want a new beginning with you. They want this new opportunity with you. But there's a lot of conflict here. And it's like, I feel like once upon a time, like you two were arguing, or there was just a lot of drama between the two of you, but I'm really feeling like this is outside. This isn't you and this person. This is your person and other people. It's a lot of drama if they come in to give you this offer. Because see, this person was being sneaky in the past. And they know that if they give you this offer, it's going to cause issues, whether it's with friends, family, the person that they were dealing with. It's something here, and this is why they're scared, because for some of you guys, I feel like if this person wants to choose you, I feel like they're going to come in and choose you. But if this other individual finds out that they're leaving him or her for you, I feel like they are trying to attack their pockets. And I feel like this is why this person is trying to play it safe, trying to figure out, okay, well, how do I get myself out of this situation, or what am I supposed to do? Either which way, it's a lot of drama here, okay? And so I feel like y'all let them work this out. Y'all just keep doing you. Because, see, this person wants to have a family with you. This person definitely wants to marry you. This is wish fulfillment all day long. And it's like they want to give you this offer, but somebody's going to try to come in and start drama.